Allow us to introduce the Cabidor, a portable storage solution that helps maximize the space behind any ordinary door, transforming it into a closet. The Cabidor features multiple adjustable storage configurations, including both shelving and retention rods, which allow you to store objects of any height conveniently. The Cabidor dimensions allow it to fit perfectly on almost all standard door frames. This makes it an ideal storage location for a variety of items, from kitchen goods to toiletries. By affixing to the door frame and hiding in plain sight, the Cabidor offers a storage solution that is elegant and more easily accessible than a closet, while using space that would normally be wasted. The Cabidor is also capable of mounting on both left and right opening doors. Not to mention, installation is a snap. This ingenious storage system allows you to create an easy access closet that suits your needs. Store just about anything and access it quickly. Try the Cabidor yourself by ordering at cabidor.com. That's CABIDOR.com.